The Dash 10 is the newest.
Representatives from Boeing visited St. Helena Elementary School today. They talked to fifth graders about the aircraft manufacturing company, hoping to get kids excited about a possible career in the field of science, technology, engineering, and math.
The main goal is to try to inspire students to pursue STEM education and STEM-related degrees, whether that's in a 2-year technical institution or a 4-year college. Boeing has been in South Carolina now for 10 years, but we're going to need the workforce 10 years, 20 years from now so that we can stay here and continue to build airplanes and continue to contribute to a growing economy. So we need these students to be ready for the job.
The students enjoyed watching videos of airplanes being built and would love to work for the company someday.
I want to be on the STEM team, so I can help like build new technology to help the airplanes fly.
I learned that they make a lot of amazing stuff and amazing airplanes every single day, and all the stuff that it takes for them to make it.
Later in the day, Boeing went to Battery Creek High School. Students in the aerospace engineering class presented projects they have been working on.
We presented a project on building a space shuttle wing prototype, which would, if you look at it in a larger sense, fit onto the space shuttle. It was to focus on the engineering standpoint of aviation and also the engineering design standpoint. We had opportunities to work on different computer softwares, while we also had opportunities to work out in our shop here to actually build the wooden prototype models that we created.
Boeing also talked to the students about pursuing a future with the company.
Once you have your high school degree, we would love to have you come and work for us. We provide training, and in fact, if students want to pursue a 2-year, 4-year degree, even a master's or a PhD, Boeing will pay for that.
I want to be able to go into what I'm doing as an aerospace engineer with work experience and be able to know what it feels like to be a part of the system, the team, the community, and basically really just get really involved in it. I really want to see it for myself, because you got to see to believe it, you know?
Boeing has an aircraft manufacturing facility in North Charleston. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.